Jimmy from Youth Truth here with tips on making sense of your percentile charts. Let's look at the percentile chart for a really great actionable question in the relationship section of your Youth Truth report. When I'm feeling upset, stressed, or having problems, there's an adult in school who I can talk to about it. Secondary students are asked to respond to this statement on a 1 to 5 Likert scale, ranging from 1 strongly disagree to 5 strongly agree. Keep in mind that elementary students have a 1 to 3 scale. In this instance, we're looking at the data from a fictional high school. And for this high school, the average student response to this question was a 3.16, just above neither agree nor disagree. To help us make sense of this, Youth Truth provides a powerful national comparison group represented here in the orange bar. You can see that the national median high school's response to this question is a 3.20 out of 5. And you can see that the 3.16 puts our school's average response at the 47th percentile nationally. To add even more context to our percentile chart, you can compare yourself to other schools in your district or other like schools, like other large schools. You can see your school's trend data from previous years of surveying, and you can even see whether this year's rating is statistically significant when compared to last year's average rating, marked here by an asterisk. And you can disaggregate your data to see how students of different groups are responding to this question. You can click here on the cohort dropdown to see all of the cohorts available in your report, and you can click here in the subgroup dropdown to see all the ways that you can disaggregate your students' responses to this question so that you can ask and answer the important question of which of your groups of students have an adult in school they can talk to. To learn more about the cohort and subgroup tools, explore more of our tutorial videos. Finally, another feature for all chart types is the ability to turn off and on your past results or trend data, as well as the ability to show or hide specific lines of data. And those are your percentile charts.